Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is today's computer class and our topic is number system. My dear students, after reading this chapter, you must be able to say what is number system, what are the different types of number systems, and why the number system has a base different. Because as I already defined in my all classes, that all the number systems has different bases because base tells us how many digits this number system consists of. Like binary number system has the base of 2. Why? Because it consists of only 2 digits and those are 0 and 1. Same is the case with octal. Octal number system has the base 8 as it consists of 8 different digits. Same with decimal number system, which we use in our mathematics, in our arithmetic, that has a base 10 because that consists of 10 different digits. And hexadecimal number system, that has a base 16 because it consists of 16 different digits. My dear students, you read about how to convert the binary number system into decimal, octal into decimal, and hexadecimal into decimal. So my dear students, we in our previous class we also studied the binary addition, okay, and today we have to start from the binary subtraction. My dear students, the rules given in the table must be followed to perform the binary subtraction. As you can see, binary subtraction, it's easy. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is same the subtraction which we are following in our mathematics, okay? It's not tough, it's a simple, and the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0, like 10 minus 1 means 10. As I told you, 10 is the 2 in the binary system, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, okay? So let me start from an example. My dear students, if I will write here 1, 1, 1, 1, and we have to subtract it from 1, 1, 1, 0, like this, okay? So my dear students, as you know, 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the binary subtraction. Again, I will show you 1, 1, 0, 0. It's another example. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So my dear students, can we cut the 1 from the 0? No. So it will take 1 from it. It will become 10. Means 2. Like 1, 0. Okay. 1, 0 को हम 1 काटेंगे. So that is equal to 1. As I told you कि 1, 0 is the 2 in binary system. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So dear students, ये क्या बन गया? This is obviously this is 0. So ये इससे लेगा. तो it will also become this is now 0 because it has taken the 1 from it and given to it. Okay. So now it was 2. Now it became 1. It became 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So my dear student, this is 0 because it's become a 0 as it has given 1 to it and it has given 1 to it, like we are doing in the mathematics. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 because it became 0, and after that is 1 minus 0, that is 1. So my dear students, this is the easy way to subtract the binary by following the binary rules. So my dear students, the multiplication is same like this. The rules for performing multiplication using binary number is same that of the decimal numbers, and the given table will show you the how to do it. Like 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 0, 1 are 0, 1, 0 are 0, 1, 1 are 1, okay? So same, if we have to multiply any binary digit like 1, 0, 1 with this. 1, 1 are 1, 1, 0 are 0, 1, 1 are 1, okay? After that, 1, 1 are 1, 1, 0 are 0, 1, 1 are 1. So dear students, you can see it will become 1, 1, 1, and 1. This is the binary multiplication. So my dear students, it's very easy. Like we are doing in our mathematics, we have to follow the same rules here. So binary division, it has the also same method here. Like I will show you. If we have to do like this, okay, so how we can do it? 10 1 are 10, 10 not, it's 2, 2 1 are 2, so 1 will come down, isn't it? So आपको क्या करना है, जब आप कुछ भी इसमें, अब देखिए 10 1 are 10, तो ये इसका 1 नीचे आएगा और ये 0 भी, फिर से आप करेंगे 10 1 are 10, 10 not, it's our 2, so 2 minus 2, that is 0. You can see it's our quotient, it's our dividend, and this is our रिमाइंडर. तो सेम जो इसका क्या बोलते हैं, इसको कन्वर्ट, ये बाइनरी एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन, दिस इज सेम एज our mathematics, and you can learn it, you can practice it at home. After that you can learn it all. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter was about the number system and the conversion and the addition, subtraction and arithmetic, all that. So my dear students, please practice it at home and it will be easy for you to retain this all in mind. Okay, so this is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.